Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the power button location on your Samsung LED HD TV, and this one is the non-smart TV, so please just take note. So the power button is located under the TV, so we have a closer look. So if we just see here, this is the only the receiver of the TV. But if we see from the button of the TV, you can see the power button is located here, and here it is. You just press on it, and you will see the TV is turning on. So now I will tell you what is the function that you can use this power button. It's not just turn on and off the TV. So when you just press it once time, so the TV is not turning off. So you can see here the power off, and when you press another time, it will show to the another button, and you can see it's channel up another time. So it here the description. So when we press, it's move, and we press and hold, it means select. So now I press and so it's time out. So now we press and hold, that means we select to change channel. Press and hold again, so it will change channel to another channel. So the channel list is so up on here. So when we press it once time, wait a minute. So when we press it once time, it change to the, it's moved to another one, it's volume up. So now I press and hold, the volume is turning up, so you can see here. Okay, so now I move to another one and press hold, so it's a volume down. And you can also change the display of the TV with the source. Press and hold, the source is not connected to any source. So if you connect any HDMI, it will show the HDMI display here. So we can now use the power off. Just go to this wait a minute, the timeout is a bit short. So go to this logo and just press and hold once more time, and the TV it will power off. Okay, and that's all for today's video of where is the power button location on the Samsung normal HD TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.